I just finished putting my satin clear coat on the outside of this table, and I didn't really wait long enough for the paint to cure before I got all happy with the satin clear coat. So therefore, like that area there, that area there, the paint wiped off. It's all water-based, so if one is not dry, the other one will reactivate it, and in this case, wipe it off. So I've decided that this piece will now be distressed. I'm slightly ticked that some of the paint dared wipe off of this, even though I didn't really wait for it to dry. And I've had a couple of Jack Daniels. But I've decided that it's going to have a distressed look. So we're taking our rotary sander with our worn out, this is 80 grit, but I've used it on several pieces, so it's probably more like 100 right now. We're going to teach this piece who's boss. And that's how we do that. I was going to put some white wax on this piece because it's got some nice detail, but I just kind of want to be done with it now, and I think it looks really good. I don't think it really needs any white wax. Plus it pissed me off. It's been fun, but we're just not going to work out.